everyone, in this video I will guide you how to fix camera not focusing on Motorola phones. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app and click on the settings icon. Scroll down to and click on reset if you want to fix this problem. So reset camera settings. After reset camera settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps and click on see all apps. If you want to fix this problem, click on camera app and click on force stop. After force stop camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.